So in this video, I am going to show you how to type Subscript in Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to add subscripts to your text effortlessly. This can be particularly useful for writing chemical formulas, mathematical expressions, or any scientific notations. So let's start the video. Typing Subscript directly in Google Sheet is not supported in the same way as in word processors like Microsoft Word. But there is an alternative way. First, open up Google Sheets. After that, in a new browser tab, go to Google and search for Unicode character table. Click on the first search result. On the Unicode character table website, search for Subscript. Click on that option. Now, find and click on Subscript to character. Copy the Subscript to. Now return to your Google Sheets tab, and after that press Ctrl plus V to paste the subscript to in the spreadsheet. Your character should now be displayed in subscript format. And that's how you can type subscript in Google Sheets.